Hi, hello guys, welcome to Passion Jobs Tube. Today video is about summer internship which is offered by Google. This is as a part of summer internship 2020 to 21. This is one of the best opportunity. Students can avail this opportunity which will be useful for their career. And before having a detailed version of introduction about Google internship, do subscribe to our channel Passion Jobs Tube and share with your friends and do like. And then coming to the video, apart from that Google internship, I will share you the link, Google Career link, which will be useful for your future updates. You can check yourself apart from this video. So for that purpose, I will share you the Google Careers link, and we will discuss about the particularly about the Google internship. So we can enter into the video. And guys, while discussing about the video, it is mandatory to note about the last date. The last date for receiving application is August 10, 2020. Our summer internship starts in May or June 2021 and 10 to 12 weeks in duration. So which will be very much useful for you, because the duration of the internship is longer duration, 10 to 12 weeks, so which will be very much useful for you. Due to current health crisis related to COVID-19 and the escalating visa or travel restriction in place, we are currently unable to extend offers to anyone who cannot work from India due to lockdown or visa or travel restrictions. So they cannot provide a visa or travel restrictions in place because due to the COVID-19 situation. So consequently, we will be prioritizing candidates who can start in this location by said day as expected. We are keeping the situation under review and we will adjust our position should the restrictive measures be later moved on. So what they are telling to do is, after come out of the coming out of the COVID-19 situation, they will announce the particular date and starting of the internship. So stay tuned by checking this website. By applying to this position, your application is automatically submitted to the following locations: Bangalore, Karnataka in India, and Hyderabad and Telangana in India. So this is the location. And then minimum qualification for getting this internship is currently pursuing a BS or MS or PhD, which means BE, BTech or PhD degree especially in a computer science field, experience in software development in one or more general purpose programming languages, which means C++, C, Java, like that, and ability to speak and write in English fluently and idiomatically. And preferred qualifications are returning to a degree program after completion of the internship, experience in system software or algorithms, this is the main one, and knowledge of Unix, Linux or Windows environments and APIs, familiarity with TCP and IP or and in network programming, effective implementation skills like C++, Java, Python, as they generally set the qualification for minimum qualification. And coming to the job, as a software engineering intern, you will work on our core products and services as well as those who support critical functions of our engineering operations. Depending upon your background and experience, you will be working in the following areas. So you will have, once you are selected, you will have a chance to work on their core products. For example, they are giving the following areas like product and systems development, engineering productivity. These are the core areas. And coming to the responsibilities, specific responsibilities may vary according to the project area and locations. This is the locations. I will share you the link, you can check once. And now we are going to see about the applying procedure. And now we open the applying page, software engineering intern summer 2021. So in the first step, you have to upload a resume, have a or you can upload any Google Drive link also, and you should have a detailed resume of your qualification and your additional skills, etc., and what are the projects you done so far related to this internship topic. So you should, because these are the chance to get selected, because if you're having any projects related to this internship topic you have done, if you done already means they will, if there is a chance to select you because of your experience, though you are a student. So that's why I am telling. So have a good profile resume and contact details. Give a valid name without a spelling mistake, and add preferred name and country or region, city, state or province, postal code, and country, etc., and school name. Basic details are there asking, and working experience, and if you are worked in any company previously means you can give the name, employer name, like that. So you have to attach a cover letter, it is a optional one. And next you have to upload some documents. So the page will guide you what are the steps you want to do next. And thank you guys, I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to discuss any topic means, if you want to know the details of any topic means, you can share in the comment, we will discuss about that. Not only for you, you can share this video, is not only for you also, you can share this video to your friends and your neighbors, which will be useful for them also. So kindly share them and subscribe to our channel Passion Jobs Tube. Thank you, bye. And guys, another news, internship and link and applying link is in description box, make use of it. And Google Careers link is also attached in that link itself. Check out it and make use of it. Thank you.